Fine arts has always been our forte, and we've been consistently proving ourselves in every inter-IIT, from canvas to charcoal. We have gotten medals every year. But this year we are coming back stronger with sharpened skills and newer talent, and definitely aiming for the gold.
Hello everyone. It's been 1.5 months since we've been practicing. हमने फैशन का practices almost NSEMs के बीच में से ही चालू कर दिया था. We started our practices around 18. We started the choreo and all. Everyone who are involved in this journey, NSEMs चल रहे थे या whatever चल रहे थे, सब लोग NSEMs के वक्त भी आ रहे थे. हमने बहुत ज़ोरों से practice कर रहे हैं. अभी let's say यहाँ पे 5 days हमको बचे हैं. So काम बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोरों से चल रहा है. किसी की नींद नहीं हो जा रही है. मेरी भी यहाँ पे आवाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो रखी है. So all these are signs of like how hard we are working to get this. Since this is the 4th time that we are going for the gold. IITs, inter-IIT में past 3 times से fashion में gold आ रहा है. And this time also we are expecting a gold. As we have arranged the things and the flow of work जो हो रहा है यहाँ पे, I am pretty sure कि इस बार हमारा भी gold आने वाला है. And everything is almost done. Like the costumes are almost sorted, the choreo is sorted, the songs are sorted, and we are pretty sure कि when we go to Patna we're gonna hail it and gold लेके आने वाले हैं.
Hello everyone. Literary arts comprises of events like Scrabble, cryptic crosswords, creative writing, and slam poetry. Ours is a very diverse squad, having a healthy mix of freshies and seniors, who've given it their all for the sake of the team. After a blockbuster performance last year, we've set out to retain the Literary Arts Cup as well as win the overall Cult Cup. And the efforts of my fellow participants will surely get us there. Pudhe chala, Bombay ala.
Hi, I'm Jayanti.
Hello, I'm Pearl.
We are very much excited like always, but right now we have a responsibility because we are the genre captain right now, and we are hoping to get back the trophy again, back to the home.
So, like after COVID, this is the 3rd time we are participating, and we were overall second 2 years ago, and then last year we were overall champions. So, we hope that we continue this legacy of being the defending champions this year as well. So, for that, we are all set with practices. We have 3 competitions: group, dance, streets, and duet. So, all practices are going well, and I hope we do well in all 3.
Yes, this year we have very new peoples with us, and I think they are very dedicated and passionate enough to get the trophy, and we are hoping the same, that we should get the trophy back to the home. And
And I think irrespective of the result, we're having a great time together. The late night practices,
Yeah.
we've made a lot of good memories. So I hope even after we graduate, we'll cherish these memories, and the lot of like the 25 new people who are here this time. I hope they continue this legacy forward. They enjoy this time and they keep participating in the inter-IIT for the coming years.
And yeah, we are hoping and looking forward to this Inter-IIT 7.0, and we hope we had a really great time over there in Patna. Special mention to Sarthak, Aryan, Ishan, Yogesh. They have been really supportive, and they have been working really hard in the back end. And
Yeah, I mean everything ranging from venue to budget and everything they've been managing so well, and they're always available. So I think
they are very supportive, and we are
kudos
thankful
for the
to
great
them.
job.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top notch hoes get the most, nothing less on. Straight terror, better than your eyebrows. Pushing culture, baby, got that. Todo kure magna ni, charge magna ni. Tenu message ch chakkiyan. Devil ko mitne nu, sanu thale sitne nu. Ikki bari jod la shaktiyan. Todo kure magna ni, charge magna ni. Tenu message ch chakkiyan. Devil ko mitne nu, sanu thale sitne nu. Ikki bari jod la shaktiyan.
Hi, I'm Anushka Kumari. For me, the most important thing is that we are getting documentation and collaboration right. Rest all, we have an incredible team, and that is more than enough to get a gold in this competition. Besides that, it's the aim that people are enjoying what they are doing, and hence they will be creative enough so that we get the best of ideas. And that is all needed. My work is just documentation. Rest all it's all up to team. I have a great team.
Hello, I'm Aditya. This year, the Comedic Arts contingent is excited to participate in the Cult Meet 7.0 because this is the first time the Comedy Cup is being introduced. We're participating in 2 events, Improv Battle and Stand-Up Comedy. In Improv Battle, our participants have been relentlessly practicing to gain mastery over their wits and their storytelling abilities. For stand-up, our participants have been polishing their material and deliver a finalized and humorous delivery.
We don't just cook food, we cook strategies here. Just like any single ingredient, every single member of our team adds a different flavor to the dish. Together, we have prepared creations that will blow your mind. And victory, that's the dish we are most excited to savor. Get ready for a culinary experience like never before.
Hello guys, and this is in the history of Inter-IIT, this is the best, this is the largest group of photographers being selected this year. We have a wide range of photographers ranging from 18 to 28 years. We have freshers as well as experienced people into the team. We also grow across the species in our team. One of the member is this. लोगों के 2 सांप होते हैं लेकिन हमारे teammate सांप है. This year we will try to make a mark in this Inter-IIT.
Hi everyone. About our cup, we are coming second for the previous 2 years, and this time we are fighting for gold.
So this time most of the team is fresher, so this has both pros and cons because freshers है तो काफ़ी एंथू है, एनर्जी है, बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, बट एक्सपीरियंस की थोड़ी कमी है, लेकिन बहुत मेहनत की है लोगों ने, सारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने. एंड या आवर राइटर्स एंड डायरेक्टर्स ऑल्सो, उन्होंने लाइक दे आर एक्सपीरियंस एंड दे did so well, so I think gold आएगा.
Hopefully we get the gold. Like 2 years back, I was part of the street play contingent that you can see behind us. Unfortunately, we couldn't win, but like it was kind of always a dream of mine that we win street play as well as win the Dramatics Cup. Unfortunately, we are not for the past few years. But this time we are hopeful, very much hopeful that we will be winning. We have a fresh talent, we have amazing directors, writers, we have an amazing production team. So yeah, I think it's gold for Bombay this year. So yeah, thanks.
So talking about all the competitions we have, so for talking about stage play specifically, we are winning gold for previous 2 years, and this time also we have amazing script, amazing director, set of directors and the cast members, and again we are hoping for the gold this time and to maintain that legacy. We are very hopeful of the production team as well. Yes, totally. Of our production team and lights team as well. So yeah, stage play में have to hat-trick मारनी है.
I think this time we have a very unique story in mind, and there are very high chance कि हम लोग का podium आएगा. So then also we are trying our best for street play also. So let's hope for the best.
I'm more like watching the production side of things as well as the back end. The production team is superb. They're like working day and night. We 3 genre captains are working day and night to give them whatever they are asking for, whatever materials, stuff, whatever they want. So yeah, overall we are setting up an amazing production, I personally feel. And yeah, we are pretty sure that we are winning a gold this year.
Namaste Janta. Music has always been a stronghold for IIT Bombay at the Inter-IIT Cultural Meet, with podium positions almost every year. And इस बार we have a team full of very dedicated and very talented musicians who have put in their heart and soul into the preparation. और उनके साथ काम करके, उनके लिए काम करके, I feel immensely happy. I feel a lot of joy in working towards them and helping them to grow. वो जहाँ पर जाना चाहते हैं, हम जहाँ जा रहे हैं, जो हम अचीव करना चाहते हैं, which is the Musical Arts Cup. तो सब ने बहुत मेहनत की है इस बार और सब लोग एकदम तैयार है, सब ने अपना काम अच्छे से किया है. एंड इस बार हम लोग we are ready to show all the other IITs and basically all the other colleges in the country कि भाई वी हैव द बेस्ट म्यूजिशियंस, वी हैव द बेस्ट बडिंग म्यूजिशियंस जो आगे जाके हमारे कंट्री के म्यूज़िक को एक अलग लेवल पे लेके जाएंगे। एंड इस सब से अपार्ट ऑफ कोर्स जिस चीज़ के लिए हम जा रहे हैं पटना, म्यूज़िकल आर्ट्स कप इस बार IIT बॉम्बे आ रहा है।